Hello everybody, students. Last class we learned what is the introduction to AI and what are the things that comes naturally to us. So let us continue with today's continuation with the previous chapter. Now, so let's list some activities which humans and machines can do very easily. Let us see the tasks which are called as common tasks. Now, identify living and non-living things. That's what I showed you that image last time. You saw that bird and tree and everything. Everything came very naturally. We did not have to try very hard. Communicating with each other, we talk very freely with our friends, family. And if we go to a new place, we learn the language also very easily. We pick up some words or sentences and moving around, picking up objects, all these things are very easily. Suppose I'm feeling thirsty and I want to drink water. What do? I just pick up a bottle and I drink it. That's all. It is so easy for me. Now, on the other side, which are the tasks which machines can do very easily? And those tasks, what are they called? They're called as the expert tasks, like medical diagnosis, playing complex games like chess, and solve complex mathematical problems. But you know that if I interchange this one, then it becomes very difficult. So suppose if I want to teach a machine how to drink water, pick up an object and drink. It is very difficult. We have to program and reprogram, make the machine very smart and intelligent, like write complex algorithms and so many things. So similarly, for humans, if I give a very big mathematical question, then it becomes very difficult. So there are certain tasks which are done commonly or very easily by humans and certain tasks very easily which can be done by machines, but the vice versa, that is opposite of that is not true. Moving ahead. So if a machine is intelligent, that is if it has AI, it can be used in many fields, which are as follows. So as I told you, these are all the expert tasks. They are not the simple tasks like medical and healthcare, research and development, sales and travel, manufacturing, education, defense, real estate, medical and healthcare. So coming back to that one. Okay. So all these things we can say these are the expert tasks which can be done very easily by the machines, but only if they are intelligent. How do they become intelligent? We have to program them or we have to write algorithms for them. So now some of the methods to use browser fingerprinting. So we learned what is browser fingerprinting before. It means that if somebody or if some program is tracking us of what we are doing in the internet, which sites we visit and what do we do, that concept is called as browser fingerprinting. And the techniques are by using cookies, HTML5 canvas fingerprinting and IP address of the device. So I'll give you a task now. Cookies means it doesn't mean that it is a real cookie. Okay. So you find out what is a cookie, what is HTML. HTML is a language which is used for writing the websites, and IP address means internet protocol address of the device. Like every computer or every laptop or every device which is connected in the network has got an address. So these are the methods which are used. Now, who termed the name AI? So we have to know who termed the name. John McCarthy was a person. He is a great person, you can say a research person, mathematician, who termed the coin artificial intelligence. And he was a researcher at Stanford University and in the year 1956. So you can see the picture of him. He is a great person for all of us because he gave the name as artificial intelligence. So he defined AI in the following way. The ability of machines to think and learn is called AI. What is human intelligence? The ability of human beings to think and learn and act accordingly is called human intelligence. But if the machines can think and learn on their own, then I can call it as AI. It is a field that refers to the study of principles, concepts, and technology for building such machines and systems that should think, act, and learn like humans. So we are almost relating that the machine should be able to think, act, and learn just like humans. And that field of study, when we have to learn what is the principles, what is the concept, what is the technology, that field itself is called as AI. Okay. Now, AI machines should be able to do what all things? Let us see now. They should be able to interact. They should be able to perceive through visuals, speech, and data. They should be able to respond to these things, and based on the gathered intelligence, they should be again able to interact. So how are we reacting? How are we living our day-to-day life? We have five senses. We have ears, eyes, nose, skin. Using all these things, we get some information. Then our brain stores it, processes it, and over a period of time, we get that knowledge or intelligence, and we act accordingly. So if machines also should be able to behave like human beings, these are the four characteristics or four things that they should do and they should act upon. So this completes session 2. Please revise all these things and see you soon in the next session. Bye-bye.